Hello, and today we would be talking about what you can do to control your morning sickness. I would give you 10 tips that I feel are very useful. So, if you adopt some of them, I'm sure you will sail through your first trimester easily. So, the first and the foremost tip that I would want to give you is learn to listen to your hunger signals. And eat something before you can really be empty stomach. What happens is that empty stomach actually sends in this vomiting signals to the brain. So even if you don't feel hungry, you want to just set time that okay, I would have something every 2 hours or so, you can do that. But eat frequently, small meals, and another advice is when you are putting something in your mouth, make it sure that there is enough proteins in your diet, and it should not be very greasy food. Maybe you can have a small cracker, a piece of cheese, maybe a piece of fruit or something like that. But juices and all which are very very high in sugar content should not be taken. They're not very effective. They may even increase your nausea. So eat something frequently, and we normally say that in pregnancy there should not be any fasting or feasting. I mean, do not go hungry for a long time. At the same time, do not feast when you take too much. So eat regular intervals, eat small portions, and eat regularized meals. That is very important. Another tip that I would give you is about ginger. I keep saying that even WHO recommends ginger as a very good anti-emetic, anti-nausea medicine. So yes, it is a herb and it is a medicine. So you have ginger juice added to your drinks, your lemonade, your whatever you want to have. Add little ginger juice to your fresh ginger juice to your tea. That would be effective. So take ginger in any form. Take a small piece, grate it, squeeze it. उसमें 8-10 drops juice निकाल के you can even take it with honey. It's good for your throat. It's good for your morning sickness also. So this is very important. And also if you have little nausea all the time but you're not throwing up, तो आप नींबू पानी लीजिए, नींबू सोडा लीजिए. दैट इज वेरी इफेक्टिव. और चाहे तो उसमें आप थोड़ा सा जिंजर जूस जैसे मैंने अभी कहा उसमें ऐड कर सकते हैं. फ्रेश लेमन जूस जो है दैट इज वेरी इफेक्टिव ऑल्सो. सो आप अपने फ्रूट्स के ऊपर थोड़ा सा नींबू निचोड़ लीजिए या अपना चाट में डाल लीजिए थोड़ा सा. दैट विल मेक योर फूड मोर टैंगी ऑल्सो. सो फ्रेश मिंट, फ्रेश लेमन, फ्रेश मौसमी आप ऐसे खा लीजिए तो दैट विल बी मोर इफेक्टिव फॉर योर morning sickness. Tip number 5. So that would be that sometimes when you're brushing also you feel very nauseous. So you can change your toothpaste is another advice that I would want to give you. Sometimes that freshness, that mintness in your breath will also take away your morning sickness. Also आपको लगेगा कभी कभी आप कुछ स्मेल से बहुत ज्यादा परेशान हो जाते हैं. किचन में गार्लिक हो रहा है या प्याज की स्मेल आपको सिर पे चढ़ रही है या जो, तो आपको अगर आइडेंटिफाई आप कर लेते हैं कि आपको इन चीजों से प्रॉब्लम है तो आप वो वाली चीजें अवॉइड करिए. आप किचन में मत जाइए जब ये खाना बना रही है. कीप अ कुक सम और somebody is there to help you. Don't enter the kitchen. Don't go to spaces which where the smells are there, the eggs are being cooked or the onions are there. So you are not going to take those smells kindly. So stay away. So just learn to listen to your own advice and stay away from those things. Also, there are certain supplements that we give sometimes, in pregnancy that, you don't like the taste of, especially multivitamins can cause belching. You can change the brand. Also, sometimes, take them just before sleeping. So you take them and sleep. Or take them at snack time rather than when you are just moving around and all. Don't take them early in the morning. Take them at night time so the nausea will be very less. Also, sometimes we give you doxylamines and all that stuff. Those are also better taken at bedtime because they will help you sleep better and they will reduce your nausea the next day morning also. Like I said, that there are certain smells which might make you uncomfortable. You try and avoid those smells. And sometimes also very strong coffee or tea. You're tired, I know, in first trimester, but when you are wanting to feel energetic and you have a very strong coffee, it will also make you nauseous. So avoid that. So important thing is, learn to listen to your own body and avoid things which are making you uncomfortable. Adopt things like I said. I will recapitulate, like have a solid food in the morning, have a nutritious supplement. You can have fresh lemon juice, you can have ginger, which is very effective. You can change your toothpaste, you can take your medicines at bedtime. You can avoid strong smells when you want, and you can take certain medicines which are very safe and it have got no side effects on your pregnancy. Have fizzy drinks which will help you in pregnancy. And a very important thing is, there should be no fasting, no feasting. Have regular meals at regular intervals. Do not take very big or very tiny meals. You can make your own shakes, you can make your own smoothies, you can add lemon juice, ginger juice in those smoothies. Freeze them, have little amount at one time and drink it with straw slowly. Sit down and have your liquids. One sip, put it on the side, one sip, put it on the side. And that's how you can tide through difficult days when there is too much nausea. Of course, if it gets out of hand, doctors are always there. Please visit the hospitals and contact in emergency, especially if there is too much vomiting, too much weight loss, you're not able to tolerate liquids and there is blood in your vomit. These are 4 danger signals that you must contact your doctors immediately. Well, that's all for today. We'll come up with more. Take care. Bye-bye.